Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a photo to a frame on Canva. So first of all, let's find the frame, let's go to the elements, and then if we scroll down we should find frames over here, and we can click see all in order to find many more frames. So let's say I'm gonna use, let's say this one over here, let's drag it here. We can also resize it of course, and then what we can do is go to uploads in order to get our photo, or if you have a custom one from the website, that should work as well. So you can go to uploads, and then over here I have this image, and what I can do is drag and drop it immediately on the frame, like so. I can also do something like this. I can first drag and drop the photo over here on the project, but I can also from here click on it and then drag it to the frame like so. So both ways work completely fine. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.